While a meeting between a pair of teams that have combined to win just 2 games last season can't be called a clash of the Titans, it should at least be competitive. And that's the case Friday when Savannah High travels to Richmond Hill. Last week, Savannah High opened the season with a 31-6 loss to Benedictine. In that game, senior running back Jamil Green rushed for 76 yards on 15 carries, and as a team, the Blue Jackets totaled an even 200 yards on the ground. And while the Blue Jackets don't have a ton of size, they do have some speed and a few athletes like Green and running back Dejon Bryant capable of making big plays. Richmond Hill enters coming off a 14-7 loss to Johnson last week. In that game, the Wildcats moved the ball very well in the first half and did a much better job of holding on to the football than they did in week 1 against Bryan County when they had 11 fumbles. So even though they lost last week, things appear to be headed in the right direction for the Wildcats. Richmond Hill is led on offense by the running of quarterback Zach Broom and halfback Zach Denny. Looking at the rest of the schedule, realistically speaking, this is probably Richmond Hill's last chance at a win this season. Savannah High is maybe one more winnable game on its schedule, so both teams know what's at stake Friday night. In the end, I think Savannah High is too inexperienced and too small. And Richmond Hill, not having already had its bye week like Savannah, is probably a little further along in its offense and defense, and that's why I'm picking the Wildcats to win this one 20-12. That's all for this edition of Countdown to Game Day. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to play the Blitz Picks Challenge. Go to WSAV.com or SavannahNow.com/PrepCentral to beat the pros, and I will try to replicate my 10 for 10 performance from last week. I will also be on Thursdays, WSAV 6 o'clock Sportscast with Ken Slats, and on Sundays 11 o'clock show where we'll recap the week's action. And be sure to check right back here next week to SavannahNow.com/PrepCentral for another edition of Countdown to Game Day. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Rich McGowan.